Guys, it's me Mitchell back doing another video. So I'm going to be showing you the tweeter that I put in. That it looks pretty much stock because I glued it in like this around the thing with hot glue, and looks stock pretty much. Sounds better. So now that I put this in, 6.5 inch Scar mid-range and this new tweeter, they sound way better. Hopefully in the future, I'm going to change this one too for the lower bass with the same model, just the 10-inch model of this one. Hopefully that'll make it sound better, better bass in the mid-range area. So here's what I replaced it with. So the original one is a bigger one right here. The original one right here. It was a good tweeter, it was okay. Not the greatest. At higher volumes, it made it really like a bad noise, so couldn't handle as much as this one can. Now it's a neodymium magnet, so it's that's why it's a lot smaller, but it definitely sounds better. This is an older tweeter. It's called MB Acoustics T140 dome tweeter here. Same size of tweeter as the original one, just it sounds a lot better. This one was actually a car tweeter, but I don't know. This one's just way better. So yeah, this one's just old, outdated. And this one is old as well, but it's brand new. Old but never been used, so yeah. Because my dad has a bunch of them. So, yeah, I'm going to quickly play a demo song. I actually almost forgot about that. That's why I kept blabbering away. So, I'm going to play San Francisco Bay by Lee Oscar. So.
People in San Francisco, a million people I don't really know.
So yeah, there you go. There's a quick little demo. I have this app on my phone, but I'm trying to figure out how to use it. So I did make a video prior to installing these. And I have that exact same song, so if you go check that one out, it's like 2 videos ago. I'm sorry about that app. I'm trying to figure out how to use it, so I could have taken the original one and then showed you the new video sound test. Sorry about that, guys. But if you want to hear the original tweeters, just go in to my old video. It's called put in the 6.5. Anyways, it's got the same tweeter and same driver, so it would virtually be the same kind of test. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, please hit the like button. Please comment down below what you think, and have a good day.